merge two sorted linked lists problem in this video. So given that we're given two linked lists, let me actually get this graphic over here and bring that to the whiteboard. So let's bring it down here. So given this particular graphic, you can see we're given two linked lists here. Both of them are sorted, right? Given these two linked lists, what we need to do is merge these two linked lists such that the output resembles something like this, right? So how do we go about doing that? That's the main question here. How do we merge these two linked lists so the output is something like this? And what we need to remember in particular here is that this problem is fairly simple. So we will be able to solve it very efficiently, quick enough, right? So given that we have these two merged lists and this is the output here, right? How do we go about merging it? So the answer is quite simple. Let's take the red pen here. So we have two pointers that are going to point towards the head of both lists, right? Then we compare both values in this pointer. If both values are the same, which is in this case, then automatically we'll just bring in the value from list 1 over to here as value number 1. Keep in mind to handle test cases, we'll have a empty dump value that's linking out before the list starts. Basically, that's to handle edge cases basically. But given that that's happened, the pointer here will move forward and point here to 2. Now between these two, 1 is smaller. So we'll move 1 to the next head of the list and point it over here, basically, right? And we'll move this pointer over to 3 as well. Now we have 2 and 3. 2 is smaller than 3, so we move 2 to the list ahead of I see, but yeah, we'll move 2 ahead of 1 here and bring it here, right? So, and we'll move the pointer to pointer number 3. So now 3 and 3 are the same, so this is also going to move directly here as the next 3. Now, given that all the values of this list are done, automatically your program should just bring this entire the rest of the list 2 in its entirety and bring it to the end, because now the pointer is pointing at an empty space on list 1, which means no more values. And if no more values are list, we can just bring in all the rest of the values and bring them to their appropriate position at the end of the list. So that is pretty much how you're going to solve this problem. And with that in our mind, let's move on to the coding aspect of this problem.